How to set password on Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can set password. For this, you want to open up settings in your laptop or PC. Once you have opened the settings, you want to click on the account option. Now from the left hand side panel, select sign in options. Here you will find options such as PIN and password. Under password, you have the add button, so go ahead and tap on this. Now you will have to create a new password. Once you have entered your new password, you have to re-enter that again for confirmation. After re-entering, you can also enter password hint if you want. Then click on the next option. Here it says next time you sign in, you will have to use your password. Go ahead and click on the finish option. And with this, you have successfully added password on Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.